Nigeria's pharmaceutical future takes center stage at the 8th Nigeria Pharmaceutical Manufacturers Expo 2026.
2 days of innovation, collaboration, and opportunity. Monday, September 28th and Tuesday, September 29th, 2026 at Harbour Point, 4 Wilmot Point Road, Victoria Island, Lagos, Nigeria.
The theme, Regional Manufacturing, Advancing Africa's Pharma and Life Science Sovereignty through Localization.
Expect over 200 exhibitors and more than 10,000 attendees at this landmark gathering of pharmaceutical manufacturers, key stakeholders, and innovators.
And running concurrently is the Nigeria Lab Expo, jointly organized by PMG-MAN and GPE Expo PVT Limited.
Special guests of honor, the Coordinating Minister of Health and Welfare, Professor Muhammad Ali Patti,
Dr. Jumoke Oduwole, Minister of Industry, Trade and Investment,
Senator John Owan Eno, Minister of State for Industry, Trade and Investment,
and Dr. Isaac Adekunle Salako, Minister of State for Health and Social Welfare.
Guests of honor, Professor Mojisola Christiana Adeyeye, Director General, NAFDAC,
and Farm Ibrahim Babashir Ahmed, FPSN, FPC Farm, FCAI, Registrar and Chief Executive Officer of the Pharmacy Council of Nigeria.
Chief Host, Mr. Oluwatosin Jolayemi, Chairman of PMG-MAN and Managing Director, CEO of Daily Need Industries Limited.
And host, Farm Patrick Aja, Chairman, NPHE 2026 Expo and NCLE May and Baker Nigeria PLC.
Announcer, Farm Frank Moneme, Executive Secretary, PMG-MAN.
This is more than an exhibition.
It is where Africa's pharmaceutical industry connects, collaborates, and builds towards greater manufacturing sovereignty.
Where manufacturers meet markets.
Where innovators meet opportunity.
And where the future of Africa's pharmaceutical and life sciences industry takes shape.
Be part of the 8th Nigeria Pharmaceutical Manufacturers Expo 2026.
Express your interest in participating.
Join the biggest gathering of pharma manufacturers, key stakeholders, and innovators.
For more information, visit nigeriapharmaexpo.com.
September 28th and 29th, 2026.
Harbour Point, Victoria Island, Lagos.
NPME 2026.
Advancing Africa's Pharma and Life Science Sovereignty through Localization.
Organized by the Pharmaceutical Manufacturers Group of the Manufacturers Association of Nigeria, PMG-MAN.
Since 1983, advancing Nigeria's pharmaceutical manufacturing industry.
Hashtag NPME 2026. Be there.
Official media partner, CEO Africa.